In my freshman year, I was actually a class vice president, and that's when I was first introduced to the concept of student governing board and kind of what that did in the district. And however, because of like the first year, I just like wasn't able to join because once again I was like busy, freshman year, kind of getting adjusted to the new high school life. And at the end of my freshman year, kind of like having my first year in high school, it was really rough for me to make that transition. And like with student governing board, I heard about it and I was like, this sounds like something I want to do because it's going to be an opportunity to create change and kind of really get involved in addressing the problems that I really saw in my freshman year and the ones that like have really affected me as a first generation student here at my school. And so that's definitely what encouraged me and pushed me to be part of student governing board and to want to be a part of this group where everyone is kind of welcomed as they are and where we can all kind of come together and see how can we address these problems and how can we really all come together into this space. So I actually heard of CFJ through student governing board, and so I became part of that as well. And I thought kind of like CFJ and SGB, I like to think that they work kind of together and like the same kind of issues with really honing in on student voices and making sure that those are amplified to the district. And I think just the part and like the existence of these organizations is just one of the reasons of why like students are able to like really express themselves, and it's really just an opportunity for us to be heard by the district. And I think it's something so pivotal and so important in our district. And I'm really grateful to have the communities both at Student Governing Board and at Californians for Justice.